How to fix Instagram stories wouldn't load. I am going to show you how you can easily fix Instagram stories that won't load. Check your network. One of the more common causes of Instagram stories issues is a poor internet connection. This could be due to a weakened Wi-Fi signal or something going on with your device or the network area. Let us see if we can narrow this down as the root cause. First, close out Instagram and open another application on your phone. Whether it is Facebook, YouTube, or another app, try to play a video or scroll through your news feed. If you have issues loading content, the issue is likely with your device, not just Instagram. Check other applications is the fastest way to check for internet connectivity problems. Next, you can use the speed test app by Ookla. Open applications to see how fast your internet connection is. Running a speed test is more accurate than checking other applications because you can watch the speedometer. If your internet problems are intermittent, the speed test app will show you. To reset the network settings on an Android device, do this. Open the settings on your Android device and tap on Connections. Scroll to the bottom of this menu and tap on More Connection Settings. Tap on Reset Network Settings. After performing these steps, your device will restart. Now you can reopen Instagram and see if the spinning circle is gone. Open the settings on your iPhone and tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Reset. Tap on Reset Network Settings. You will need to input your screen unlock code. Then the phone will restart. After you have reset your network settings, launch Instagram and see if your stories are working. Assuming you aren't having any connection issues, it is time to focus on the Instagram app. The first step is to restart the app. This goes beyond switching to another application because you will need to completely close the app so that all processes cease. Perform a full reboot of your phone and then retest the story. While it is unlikely your phone is causing issues with Instagram stories and nothing else, power cycling your phone kills all background processes that could interfere with the app behavior. Again, clearing the Instagram app cache shouldn't make any difference in loading. It is a non-destructive test, so it is worth trying. iPhones don't have a clear cache option, but it does have the offload app function that dumps any unnecessary data from the app. Open Settings and Apps. Select Instagram and select Storage. Select Clear Cache. If you tap Clear Data, you will need to log back into Instagram and will lose any drafts you have saved.